What's up, homies? Today we're going to talk about figuring out what rocks are in the area by what plants are growing in the area. This is something I've already pointed out. I kind of follow cactus myself because cactus doesn't mind growing on top of rocks like I showed you guys today. I found my rock that I collected probably a few feet away from a cactus patch. So a lot of the grasses will just grow more crazy in non-cactus areas because it's easier for them to grow in soil than it is for them to grow inside of rocks. You know, the weeds will still grow there, but they kind of have to fight, and that's how I pattern where there's just going to be rocks in general. That's a real basic pattern of following plants for rocks. But it can go further, and it really should. You should keep continuously learning which plants react to which soils, and which soils react to your tastes in rock collecting. So, if there's soils that produce diamonds, yeah, you're going to want to look for the plants that have the needs of diamond producing soil. And that's what they're starting to do in South Africa. They're starting to look for this certain type of plant that only grows on top of kimberlite pipes. So that's exciting that they found this certain species, and it looks kind of like a palm tree, but it has really crazy mangrove looking roots, and it takes a lot of mineral rich environment for it to grow, so it only grows right there on top of kimberlite pipes. So it's like an obvious indicator, and that's just one. Like, you should be using your own patterns and saying, well, I'm looking for carnelian, so therefore in my particular area, the only area that grows carnelian, there's a tree there. There's no trees anywhere around the whole entire area except for the one area where there's carnelian. So that particular tree, which is a blue elderberry tree, probably has an iron requirement. You know what I mean? Start to draw conclusions. Maybe that one wasn't true, but I could probably try to figure out if it was true. I could probably try to pattern next time I see one of those trees if there's any carnelian around them, and then start to say, I have a pattern now. You know what I mean?